4 proven pollinators that's a must-have for anyone's garden, especially in the spring. There are tons of edible flowers in your garden. Our artichokes can be a flower, cauliflower, broccoli definitely are flowers. Now we do have some wildflowers we leave out here. Purple dead nettle, henbit, and my favorite, dandelion. 4 proven pollinators that everybody needs to have in their garden, especially in the spring. Bees love them, and you can eat them too. Marigolds, pansies, zinnias, and borage. Did you know borage tastes like? Right here under this trellis, we're going to plant a bunch of tomatoes. But we like to companion plant some of these edible flowers in amongst them. So I'm just going to open up this trench and we're going to put a few in. It's time. Come on, let's plant. Just like everything else in the deep mulch, mixed mulch garden, we're just going to pull this down to bare soil and just look at this soil underneath that mulch. That is wonderful. Just going to dig a hole deep enough for our plants to sit in. Our first one in the ground is going to be marigold. And if you've never grown anything before, marigolds or pansies, they're wonderful to start with. They do really well in containers. Now you can prepare these and eat these a bunch of different ways. Marigold is good raw. You can dry them, you can make tea out of them. I tend to like all the flowers, dandelions included, where I just come out here and grab a snack. So you just plant them like normal. Just put a little mulch back in around them. We'll cover up that soil on both sides when we get ready to plant tomatoes in a few days. Old timers in Oklahoma said wait till after Easter, and it's coming. So let me get another one in right here. Make a hole just big enough for your plants. Snug that in around there. It really doesn't matter what kind of garden you grow. These edible flowers can be grown in a container on the windowsill. Can be grown in a raised bed. Just about anywhere. Then you have fresh flowers to garnish just about anything that you're making. And the bees just love them. And down in here we got our helpers. Thank you. We got a couple of them. Thank you. Backfill in around them. We'll come back and give these guys a drink here in a minute. And just that quick, you've got a splash of color in your spring garden. And I kind of like to mix them up a little bit. Do some marigolds, do some pansies. And speaking of flowers, our onion's just about to bloom. Bloomin' onion. If you can't have fun in the garden, then it's just work. And we do this because it tastes great. Although we're not going to eat this flower, this is just strictly to make seeds. That's the beauty of the deep mulch. You can pretty much dig in just about everywhere. You really only want to dig your hole deep enough to plant your plant. Doesn't matter if you're planting flowers or if you have any other kind of starts. You want to snug it in there, make sure you don't have any air pockets. That's the other reason we want to come back and get these a little drink. Help that soil settle in around them. And there you got a little color. And it really only takes just a couple minutes, and you can plant out quite a few flowers. If you remember when we put these leaves down, I put them down a foot thick or better. And we're back down to about 4 inches already. It's had some rain on it, had a little snow on it. But it's just amazing at how fast this mulch will break down. That's why it's a process. We continually add mulch. Just look at that soil underneath there. That's just amazing. It's just full of worms, just full of life. Now the borage is going to have a pretty blue flower. And from what I understand, this flower, it tastes like watermelon. So I'm kind of excited to see how that goes. We'll see what we get. As far as annual flowers go, those are 4 proven pollinators that every gardener must have in their garden, whether it's a container garden, a raised bed, just a container on the windowsill. You can eat them, the bees love them. It's really fun to garnish whatever you're cooking. You'll be the talk of the town. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.